Looking for a versatile and user-friendly label maker? Meet the Bakik Label Maker Machine WP9510. This compact and efficient device simplifies your labeling tasks with ease. It features an intuitive design, perfect for both home and office use. The WP9510 comes with durable tape that ensures your labels stay intact. Whether you're organizing files, labeling kitchen containers, or creating custom tags, this label maker handles it all. With quick printing and easy operation, the Bakik Label Maker WP9510 is your ideal partner for all your labeling needs. Get organized today with Bakik. Introducing the Create upgraded USB rechargeable gravity electric salt and pepper grinder. This sleek and stylish grinder offers effortless seasoning with just a tilt. No buttons needed. Its powerful rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use, while the adjustable coarseness dial lets you customize your grind. The built-in LED light ensures precision even in low light. Easy to refill and clean, this grinder combines convenience with elegance, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Upgrade your cooking experience with Create. Introducing the Boo Henka Electric Spin Scrubber, your ultimate cleaning companion. Designed to tackle tough grime and stubborn dirt, this waterproof bathroom scrubber features a powerful motor and rotating brush heads, making cleaning effortless and efficient. With multiple interchangeable brush heads, you can easily switch between surfaces, from tiles and bathtubs to sinks and grout lines. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, while the long-lasting battery provides up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning. Say goodbye to harsh scrubbing and hello to sparkling cleanliness with the Boo Henka Electric Spin Scrubber, the smarter way to clean your home. Introducing the Kitchen Mama Auto 20 Electric Can Opener, the perfect hands-free solution for your kitchen. With just 2 taps, this sleek and compact device effortlessly opens cans of all sizes, ensuring a smooth and safe edge every time. Say goodbye to manual can openers and hello to convenience with Kitchen Mama. Introducing the Omaya 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser with sponge holder, the ultimate kitchen companion for effortless dishwashing. This innovative dispenser allows you to dispense the perfect amount of dish soap with a single press, while the integrated sponge holder keeps your cleaning essentials organized and within reach. Designed for convenience and efficiency, it's perfect for any kitchen. Make your dishwashing routine faster and more hygienic with the Omaya 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser.